Hello my friends here on YouTube. I got another evening of videos. I'm gonna show you guys how I create this homemade indoor antenna. So the material that we need to use is a splitter and a coaxial cable that we are not using anymore. So what I did is that I took the splitter, and then the first thing that I did, this is the splitter, right? Any splitter that you have at home, any of those. This is the splitter, and then like a 16-inch coaxial cable. So what I did is that I just cut the corners first. That's all what I did. I just cut the corner, and then I cut in the middle, and I expose the cable in the middle. I expose the cable here in the middle. Once I do that, I arch the cable like that, and then I put it in the splitter. That's all what I did. And that's it. Now I'm gonna show you how I scan channels. You gotta connect your coaxial cable in the back of the TV right here and in the back of the TV. Okay. Alright, so here is my coaxial cable that is in the back of the TV. I'm gonna grab the antenna and plug it. That's all. And then, of course, I'm gonna put it on top on a place. Let's say I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna put it right there. So I'm gonna take off this other antenna, so that way you see that I'm not using it. Just give me one moment. Alright, perfect. I'm just using that antenna that I made. Alright. Now I'm gonna scan some channel. I'm gonna check for some channel. No signal. Let me try one more time. Alright, there we go. It looks like I got channels now. And that will be it, pretty much. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, comment. It's easy to make, and the antenna is right there. Another thing that you can do, if you like, it's to put a terminal in the corner of the antenna. You can put also 2 terminals in here, or tape, black tape, electric tape, to cover this part, or put it a terminal. Put it a terminal like this one right here to this cable, these 2. But yeah, that will be pretty much it. And I hope you guys have a great evening.